So today with our So Good products, I'm going to show you how to do a very easy, fully loaded baked potato. You need some So Good cheese powder, obviously because we love So Good, 300 ml milk, some sour cream, spring onion, cheese, parboiled potatoes, bacon, 6 gun, and a drop of olive oil. Bacon is cooking. We're going to start by preparing our cheese sauce. That's quite easy. 300 ml of milk, 60 grams of cheese sauce powder. We'll switch on our burner. We'll whisk everything together and bring it to a boil. So good, so easy, obviously the best. So easy to make and so good to taste. Bacon, you can fry until it's cooked, or you can go crispy bacon. Grab an oven pan and start preparing baked potatoes. Is as easy as placing it in an oven pan. Put a dash of cheese sauce over it. Our bacon is cooked. I've preheated our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm literally going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes, just giving the cheese time to melt and the potatoes time to heat through properly. 10 minutes has gone by. It's time to take these babies out of the oven. Oh my soul, look at that. Now these potatoes are fully loaded and they are so good. The last step needed is a dollop of sour cream. Let's have a taste. This is really so good.